Chirag here. Today I thought to do something different from science experiments. So I made a model. This model is on home appliances. So what are the appliances which run from electricity and we require them the most? They are the basic amenities like lights, tube lights, bulbs, etc. We need a buzzer as a doorbell, and we also need a fan to beat the heat. So I have also made the same model for this. See, this is the buzzer, which acts as the doorbell. This is the light, and this is the second light. And this is the fan. Before telling you about all those wirings and all, I will tell you about the materials required. We need some wires, two batteries, three switches, but all of different types, a push switch and one slide switch, and one is a normal switch. We need a buzzer, two LED lights, two resistors, and we also need a motor which will act as which will help us to run the fan, and one fan blade. So let us start. So we first start out with the battery. Remember that the red wire is positive and the black wire is negative. So I attach the red wire with the blue wire of the buzzer, as blue is positive and black is negative. As I joined it, we moved on the next step. Now we take the black wire of the battery and attach it with the switch, the one terminal of the switch, and we take the buzzer and attach it with the other terminal of the switch. So you have made the buzzer. Now let's come on the motor part, which will be the fan. Now we take another switch and attach a wire. I've taken a double wire. It is here. You might be thinking that this is a single wire, but it is split into if you look closely. You take the red wire, this one, and you attach it with the red and blue wire like this. You roll it up, and then you take the black wire and attach it with one terminal of the switch. Then the two open ends will go to the motor, which is here. Now let's go on. Now we are missing one thing. We have not connected it successfully with the negative terminal of the battery. So we take another wire and attach it with the switch of the push button. See, we don't have to attach it with the buzzer wire. We have to attach it with the battery, because the battery is something which gives you energy, not the buzzer. Now let's come on the lights part. See, before telling you about all those wirings, I will tell you about the switch. This is a slide switch. In this, the LED one will open when we push to left, and LED 2 will open when we push to right, extreme right, and when it is in center, it is off mode. There are four wires in this switch: red, purple, brown, green. It may vary. So as we know that red wire is positive. So you are definitely going to know with that purple wire is negative, as it is on the adjacent side. And let me give you example to tell you about these both. Suppose you take a positive wire, the opposite wire to it will also be positive. So the red wire, so what is the wire opposite to the red wire? Yes, you are correct. It is green wire. So green is also positive, and then the brown will definitely be negative. Now we attach our battery here, and you can attach it anywhere according to your need, and then you take the red wire of the switch and attach it with the red wire of the battery, and then you take the purple wire like this and you roll it up with this, the black wire. So you have attached the battery. Now let's come on the bulb part. as I told you earlier, that the green is positive. So we attach it to the longer leg of the LED bulb, because longer leg is positive and the shorter leg is negative. Now we attach the brown wire directly to the shorter leg. But no, this is wrong, my friends. You have to attach a resistor with it, because resistor helps in resisting the amount of voltage coming up. Now you see that we have attached the resistor. We have attached the resistor on the shorter leg, and then we attach it with this, with the negative terminal, with the negative wire. Now we have attached one. See, now let's go on the second bulb. There is the second bulb. Now let's do the wiring. The resistor which is connected, we will add one more wire and attach it to the to the positive terminal this time. Normally the resistors are connected to the negative terminal, but because this is a light switch, it will connect to positive terminal of that LED light. This thing you have to remember, because it will not work if you do even a single wrong wiring. Now you take another wire and attach it with the longer leg of the and attach the shorter leg, which is the negative, and attach it with the positive terminal of that bulb. As you can see, this was all about the wirings. Now, if you have any problem, please write in the comment box. But I will also show you a circuit diagram which will help you a lot. And then I am also going to tell you that I will be posting a video in some days after, which will tell you about the basic wirings, and I will also tell you about the circuits used here. So it will give you a clear view. Now let me show you the circuit diagram. You might have till now seen the circuit diagram. Hope it was clear. Now, if you liked my video, please like to my video and subscribe to my channel. You will find more videos like this, and you will learn a lot of new things. You will go deep in science, and you will definitely have a lot of fun with science. Generally, people have a lot of problem with theoretical science, but practical is fun, and it also helps to learn about the theoretical knowledge. That's why I have brought this channel, so that children and all the adults, they can also learn different things, because learning never gets wasted. So this was all in today's video. Thank you.